Good morning, students. Today we shall be studying about p block elements. P block of the periodic table comprises six groups, that is group 13 to group 18. The general electronic configuration of the elements present in this block is ns2 np 1 to 6. This means that the atoms of all these elements have completely filled s subshell, while the electrons are filled in the p subshell of the valence shell. Group 13 is known as boron family, group 14 carbon family, group 15 nitrogen family, group 16 oxygen family, group 17 halogen family, and group 18 is noble gases. P block elements are also known as representative elements. And in class 11th, you have already studied about group 13 and group 14 elements. And today in class 12th, we shall be studying about group 15 elements, that is nitrogen family. The nitrogen family consists of nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, and bismuth. I have written one mnemonic, that is Nana Patekar Asrani Sabbindas. This way, even you can learn the name of the elements of this group. Nitrogen is the main constituent of the air, and around 79% of the atmosphere consists of nitrogen. Nitrogen exists as N2. Its electronic configuration is helium 2s2 2p3, because the general electronic configuration of group 15 is ns2 np3. So there are 5 valence electrons in the nitrogen, 2 in the 2s orbital and 3 in the 2p orbital. Phosphorus atomic number is 15. Its electronic configuration is neon 2s2 3p3. Arsenic argon 3d10 4s2 4p3. Then is antimony krypton 4d10 5s2 5p3. Bismuth xenon 4f14 5d10 6s2 and 6p3. Even you can see that nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metals. Arsenic and antimony is metalloid, whereas bismuth is a metal. Now we'll be studying about their physical properties. The first physical property here I have shown is atomic radii. As you know that atomic radii of the elements decrease along a period, but in a group, as we go down, atomic radii increases. The increase in the atomic radii from nitrogen to phosphorus is considerable, whereas arsenic to bismuth, even though there is a increase in the size, but the increase is small. What is the reason? It's due to the intervening d and f electrons, which show poor shielding effect. Then is ionization enthalpy. Ionization enthalpy, in general, it decreases down the group. Why? Because of the increase in the size. The ionization enthalpy increases along a period and decreases down the group. In general, the increase in the ionization enthalpy in period is because of the decrease in the atomic size and increase in the effective nuclear charge. But the difference in the first ionization enthalpy value of the elements in group 15 and group 14 is very large. This is because of the fact that the electronic configuration of elements of group 15 is half filled and is more symmetrical. Down the group, ionization enthalpy is expected to decrease because of the increase in the atomic radii. And then is ionization enthalpy of elements of group 15 is greater than that of group 14. The reason is because of the half-filled p orbital and due to the extra stability of the p block element, p orbital. Second and the third ionization enthalpy of bismuth are higher than that of antimony. The reason is it's due to the involvement of intervening 4f electron with very poor shielding effect. As a result, effective nuclear charge is more in bismuth. Then is electronegativity. Electronegativity, you all know, it is the tendency of an atom to attract the shared pair of electrons. And the electronegativity, as we go down the group, it decreases. Why? Because of the increase in the size. Nitrogen is maximum electronegative here. Electronegativity is 3. Next is melting and boiling point. Melting and boiling point in general, it increases down the group. Both nitrogen and phosphorus are non-metal in which the melting point is linked mainly with the magnitude of the van der Waals forces. These are more in molecular phosphorus P4 than in the molecular nitrogen N2 due to the bigger size. Arsenic has most of its characteristics similar to that of metal. Therefore, it has very high melting point. The decreasing trend in the melting point in moving towards antimony and bismuth may be attributed to increase in the atomic size and the decrease in the metallic character. Then is chemical properties. The first chemical property which we'll be discussing here is the oxidation state. Oxidation state here shown by the group 15 is -3, +3 and +5. Here I have written few examples also to show that nitrogen shows oxidation state from -3 to +5 in its compound. Like in NH3, it is -3, in N2H4 -2, NH2OH -1, N2 0, N2O +1, NO +2, HNO2 +3, NO2 +4, and in HNO3 it is +5. What is the trend of oxidation state when we go down in the group? When we go down in the group, the trend of -3 oxidation state decreases. Why it decreases? It's due to the increase in size, ionization enthalpy decreases, and metallic character increases. And secondly, the electronegativity also decreases. +5 oxidation state, as we go down in a group, it increases due to the inert pair effect. Inert pair effect means the reluctance of the s electrons to be available for bonding as compared to the p electron due to their greater penetration in the nucleus. What about the plus 5 oxidation state? The trend of plus 5 oxidation state also decreases. The reason is same, that is due to the inert pair effect. Nitrogen shows maximum covalency of 4. It can't exceed its covalency more than 4. And the other members of the group 15 show covalency more than 4 even. Like nitrogen does not form NF5 or NCl5, but phosphorus can form PCl5. क्यों? It's due to the absence of vacant d orbital in nitrogen and the presence of vacant d orbital in phosphorus. Same way, we can discuss that nitrogen and phosphorus show disproportionation reaction. Disproportionation reactions are those reactions in which the same species is oxidized and same species is reduced. Here, I have written two examples to show that how do nitrogen and phosphorus show disproportionation reaction. Nitrous acid when heated, it forms HNO3, water, and NO. Same way, phosphorus acid, when heated, it forms H3PO4 and PH3. That is phosphoric acid and phosphine. And you can see the oxidation state here. In phosphorus acid, the oxidation state of phosphorus is plus 3. But in phosphoric acid, it's plus 5, and in phosphine, it is minus 3. In the same way, in the nitrous acid, it's plus 3, but in nitric acid, it's plus 5, and in nitric oxide, it is plus 2. The rest of the member of the family have the less tendency to undergo the disproportionation reaction. Now, what are the properties of the nitrogen which makes the nitrogen entirely different from rest of the member? A very important question. It's due to small size, high electronegativity, high ionization enthalpy, and due to the non-availability of the d orbital. P pi multiple bonding with itself as well as with the other elements. It shows with carbon and oxygen. Small size है, high electronegativity है. The reason is this. Heavy elements do not form multiple bonds, that is p pi. Why? It's due to the large atomic orbital, they are diffused and cannot have the effective overlapping. Nitrogen exists as diatomic with N triple bond, and it has a high bond dissociation enthalpy. N single bond is weaker than PP single bond. It's because of the high interelectronic repulsion of non-bonding electrons. Thank you.